Hello guys, now we are discussing about the basic components of vapor compression refrigeration system. The vapor compression refrigeration system means here the refrigerant is going to be compressed in the compressor, so hence the system is called as a vapor compression refrigeration system. And this vapor compression refrigeration system, the refrigerant is going to be change the phase in each cycle. So how it is change the phase means either liquid to vapor or vapor to liquid. And I will give the example, and here the liquid refrigerant is going to be changed as a vapor refrigerant, and here you can observe the vapor refrigerant is going to be changed as a liquid refrigerant. So in each cycle the refrigerant is going to be changed the liquid to vapor or vapor to liquid. So why it is changing means, so here the large amount of latent heat will be absorbing of given space to during the during the phase changing process. So okay, so now, so this VCR system can be producing up to 5.5 ton of refrigeration to 200 ton of refrigeration of given space. Okay, and here, and this system can also called as a mechanical refrigeration system. So why it is called as a mechanical refrigeration system means, so to run the compressor here we are using the mechanical energy. So that's why the system can also called as a mechanical refrigeration system. And what are the basic components of VCR system means, the first one is compressor, and second one is the condenser, and third one is expansion valve and evaporator. So these are the four basic components of the vapor compression refrigeration system. And coming to the working principles, here the low pressure vapor refrigerant is going to be going to the compressor. So in the compressor, the low pressure vapor refrigerant is going to be compressed. So whenever the compression process will be done, so definitely the pressure is going to be increasing. So due to the pressure increasing, automatically the temperature can also rise. So here the vapor refrigerant is going to be converted as a high pressure vapor refrigerant, and which consisting of a some temperature. That high pressure vapor refrigerant is going to be enter to the condenser. So what is the condenser process? In the condenser, the condensation will be done. So what is meant by condensation means, so here we have to remove the heat of refrigerant. Here we have to remove the heat of the refrigerant. How we can remove? So how we can remove means, here we are supplying the cooling medium. Here we are supplying the cooling medium. Due to that cooling medium, the cooling medium is absorbing the heat of sending refrigerant. So which we are sending, or which that refrigerant is coming from the compressor. So the refrigerant is going to be reject the heat to the surroundings due to the supplying of cooling medium. Okay, so by supplying of cooling medium, the high pressure vapor refrigerant is going to be reject the heat to the surroundings. So then the high pressure vapor refrigerant is going to be converted as a high pressure liquid refrigerant. But here there is no changing in the pressure because of the condensation process can be done at constant pressure. So there is no changing of pressure, but the vapor refrigerant is going to be changed as a liquid refrigerant. That means here the vapor is going to be changed as a liquid. That means it is going to be changed the phase from the vapor to liquid. So then after the completion of condensation process, so then the high pressure liquid refrigerant is entered to the expansion valve. So what is the purpose of expansion valve means? So the expansion valve purpose is, here we have to decreasing the pressure of the liquid refrigerant. So here we are decreasing the pressure level of the liquid refrigerant. So the high pressure liquid refrigerant is entered to the expansion valve. So in the expansion valve, the high pressure liquid refrigerant is going to be converted as a low pressure liquid refrigerant. Because of in the expansion process, so the refrigerant is going to be expanded. Due to the expansion process, the pressure is going to be decreasing. So after this process, the low pressure liquid refrigerant is entered to the evaporator. So why we are decreasing the pressure level of the refrigerant means, so whenever the pressure level of the refrigerant is going to be decreasing, it can absorb the heat at low temperature also. It can absorb the heat at low temperature also. Okay, so then that low pressure liquid refrigerant is entered to the evaporator, and here in the given space that low pressure liquid refrigerant is going to be absorb the heat of given space. Then the low pressure liquid refrigerant is going to be converted as a low pressure vapor refrigerant. Low pressure vapor refrigerant. So there is a no changing the pressure, because of there is a no increasing of pressure, but it is going to be changed from the liquid state to vapor state. So it is going to be changed the liquid state to vapor state. So by absorbing the heat, then the low pressure liquid refrigerant is going to be converted as a low pressure vapor refrigerant. So again the low pressure vapor refrigerant is going to enter to the compressor. So then the cycle is going to be repeated. So and here we can observe the three lines. One is a suction line, and second one is a discharge line, and third one is a liquid line. So what is the suction line means? The pipeline which carrying the low pressure vapor refrigerant. Either the pipeline which carrying the vapor refrigerant at evaporator outlet and the compressor inlet. So that line is called as a suction line. And next, what is meant by discharge line means the pipeline which carrying the refrigerant after the compressing process or compressor outlet and condensation inlet. So the line is called as a discharge line. And coming to the here, there is a liquid line, the pipeline which carrying the liquid refrigerant after the condensation process and before the expansion process. So then it is called as a liquid line. So these are the working principle and basic components of VCR system. Thank you.